Alright, y'all, so these earrings are for SRT BREE. If y'all don't know who that is, y'all go check her out. And she wants me to send these earrings to her, and I just can't wait. Her mama couldn't even say what she had to say. She forgot.
Brianna.
So yeah, y'all make sure y'all go check her out.
I know you saw it too.
BREE.
Slow down, Jesus.
You want the smoke, it ain't free. Red eyes, but the slime eyes green. We spinning with SRT BREE.
Alright, so what you're going to need is your Cricut, of course, your UV lamp, glue stick, the Gorilla Glue stick, glitter cardstock, white cardstock, gold foil cardstock, some UV resin, and I use this little utensil, little pokey thing to pop the bubbles when I do the resin. Alright, so let's get started. And remember, you can always pause this video. So you're going to want to open Fonto, click Plain Images, and you're going to click the white square. Once you do that, you're going to click Use and Save. Add text.com, and it's called Cool Kids. I would recommend getting a font to where it all connects. Alright. And then you're going to click Style. Here is where you're going to want to pick your color of font. It doesn't matter really. I chose pink, and then you're going to go to Stroke. I click black, and then I am increasing the width to where all the white is gone in the middle. You see that? Just like that. Alright, make sure it's inside of the white square. Click Save Image, and I'm going to be doing this for the BREE part as well. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, so now open your Cricut app. I'm on my phone, so it might be different. And I am going to upload both of the images. And what you want to do is remove the background. Okay, and you're going to remove all the pink or whatever color you chose. Just remove it. And here I am doing it to the other one. All right, you're going to click Next. You're going to save it as a cut image, and now I will be uploading this onto Cricut. Again, before you do everything, make sure you size. My earring is 2.5 inches wide. Yours might be different. It might be bigger or smaller. You have to measure it. So now duplicate the name. Alright, and you're going to click Hide Contour. When you do that, this should pop up. And I am going to get rid of the lettering that's in there, like this, just like this. And so you're stuck with the back of the nameplate, if that makes sense. See? That's the background. So then you're going to want to go to the other one and click Hide Contour, and you're going to get rid of just the background, like this. Alright? And I am going to do it to the SRT as well. So now you're going to want to duplicate the image 5 times. At the end of the video, I ended up doing 4 of the BREEs instead of 5, I believe. But you could do it as many times as you want. It's really just layering, so whatever you choose to do. And I duplicated the back of the plate. And here I am doing the SRT part, and for those I will be changing the color to white, and this is for the white cardstock. Okay, this one I will be changing it to gray for the glitter gray cardstock I'll be using. It just helps me be more organized. Now this one I have to duplicate it. In this, I will change it to the color like a light brown. And that's for the other cardstock, the foil one. Okay, and then I will be doing this for the brie part as well. All right, y'all, so let's go and cut this out. Now you want to make sure you move the name away from the red line you see right there, because if you don't, it's going to cut the name off. So y'all make sure y'all do that. And let's get to cutting. I love my Cricut. All right, so right here I just mirrored the nameplate, so it's gonna look like this. See? And that's gonna go on the back. And so now we're just cutting everything up. I love this glitter cardstock. It's just so pretty. Again, I got this from Michael's. Alright, so now that everything is cut up, what you want to do is just layer everything. You just want to layer everything. That's all we're doing. So grab your Gorilla Glue stick and just layer. A lot of people use Mod Podge. I don't, because it's so messy to me. So now that that's done, I finished that part. Now what I'm going to do is layer the white cardstock. Now I'm going to put the glitter cardstock on top of the white cardstock. Go ahead and glue that together. So now I'm going to glue these two together, and I'm still using the Gorilla Glue stick. To use the UV resin, and the way I do it, I start by doing the letters first, and then I work my way around. Some people might not even mess with it like I do, but it's just the way I do it. Some people just leave it on there and it'll even out on its own. But I like to be extra. I'm extra. Ain't nothing wrong with. Okay, pop those bad boys in the UV lamp and let that dry. Alright, y'all, so I almost forgot to glue these onto the back. Okay, once that's done, you want to clean the back of the nameplate. Don't spray nothing on there, just wipe it off. Okay, and then now I am using the UV resin again. Getting rid of all the bubbles. Pop that bad boy in there. I'm gonna do the other one real quick. Okay, so that's how it's gonna look, okay? It's not glued yet. We're about to glue this on. Okay, so you want to be as neat as possible. You don't want none of that glue stuff to be showing on your earrings. And that's it, y'all. That was so easy. I hope this video really helped you out. You can do whatever. I added the little bling bling on there. You see that? Just to be extra because, hey, again, I'm extra. I love doing what I do. Y'all make sure to follow me on all my social media accounts. Until next time, thanks for watching.